The door for the toilet cassette is located on the driver's side of the coach. Press these two buttons to open the door. Push up on the blue handle to draw the cassette out. If it's difficult to pull the cassette out, it's possible that the gate in the bowl of the toilet is open. Go inside, close that, and you should be able to draw the cassette out. The cassette has a capacity of 4.75 gallons, so it may be a little bit heavy to carry to a dump location, in which case it does come with a handle and roller wheels to make moving it around easier. At your dump location, which could be an RV dump site, a pit toilet, or even a regular toilet, rotate the spout, remove the cap, and on the cassette there is a blue button right here that you'll press to vent the tank and pour out the waste. The other thing that you could do at this point in time is slide this gate and turn this knob to open up the tank, and this is a good opportunity if you want to add a sanitizer or others to wash out your tank. Reinsert the tank into the cassette compartment until it clicks and locks into place. Close the door.